I never used to like coming to the lab. Maybe I still don't like, but there's a lot of difference between liking or and if it is useful or not. So feeling of anxiety which you will have while giving your real exam, and if you've already been through it a couple of times, you will take it easy. The environment is very dynamic, and just moving to regional without scoring all these points and hoping that we will get invite or something, it's not going to help.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I have got Magan with me. 25 points towards his permanent residency. First he cleared his 𝗙𝗏 CCL Punjabi in the very first go, and now he has got 8 each in PTE as well. Congratulations Magan, well done.
Thank you.
He's a very close friend of mine, and I have personally seen him studying, putting in a lot of hard work. But Magan, I remember you did your 𝗙𝗏 with us first, right? And after that you came to the lab, for a day or so, and then you were just practicing at home. You took few attempts, 1 or 2 attempts, you were missing your desired score. Then what pushed you that yes, I have to make sure I need to go to the lab? What was that factor which told you that yes, now you need to get up and you need to go and sit in the lab?
Yeah, first of all, thank you, Varun. And I'd also like to thank 𝗙ηη𝗟 and Priyanka as well. With like Varun mentioned, we are very close friends, and therefore he had a liberty of calling me anytime and asking me why aren't you in lab. So I never used to like coming to the lab. Maybe I still don't like, but there's a lot of difference between liking or and if it is useful or not. So when he was insisting me a lot for coming to lab, I give it a thought, and I've started coming to lab now for thrice a week maybe. It really helped me, and it really helped me with while I was practicing at home for the answers which have exact for the questions which have exact answer. There are you can check it by yourself, but for the questions such as summarized spoken text, there aren't very certain answers for which you need guidance, and which is why.
So basically, things where you have a fixed answer, you were pretty sure about it, but when it comes to marking something or having a go with things which don't have a fixed answer, you need feedback for that, right?
Yeah.
Because a lot of time you think you're doing something right. When you came to the lab, I remember you were thinking that yes, your summarized spoken text is perfect. Yeah. But I remember 𝗙ηη𝗟, pushed a lot when it came to your summarized spoken text and changed few other things as well.
Yeah.
Very, very important, guys. Even if you don't like it, you have to make sure you come out of your comfort zone. That is where your comfort zone lies, right? Yeah. You think I'll just practice at home, but it's not that efficient. At home, you have got your friends, you have got your phone, you have got a lot of distractions. But when you sit in the lab, you have a lot of friends around you practicing, doing the same thing, running towards the same goal. You're self-motivated. You see that he has got the score, I have to do it as well. Right? Yeah. That is very important.
And also I'd like to mention, while I was giving, especially in context with 𝗙𝗏, the real-time exam situations which is being conducted with mock tests are very, very helpful. I think I got my 𝗙𝗏 cracked because I was giving regular mock tests, and also with PT as well.
Mock tests are very important actually, because they'll give you a clear picture of what mistakes you're making. Because when you're practicing one task by itself and you practice the whole mock test, it's a different story. Because if you're just doing one task, you have whole of your attention on that particular task. But when it comes to taking the whole exam, you have to manage your time, you're tired, you're stressed, and you have that anxiety as well, right?
Anxiety, yeah. So feeling of anxiety which you will have while giving your real exam, and if you've already been through it a couple of times, you will take it easy and hopefully get it done.
That's right. You will be relaxed. You won't be that nervous. You'll be able to handle your nerves well, and then you will be able to go and smash it as well. Magan, apart from this, any advice for students out there what they should do? Because a lot of students do think they'll just move to regional as well, and there are people out there around us as well. They're planning to move to regional. But why do you think PTE and 𝗙𝗏 are still necessary?
Well, in the given scenario, the environment is very dynamic, and just moving to regional without scoring all these points and hoping that we will get the invite or something, it's not going to help. The immigration laws can change anytime, and so it is always advisable that we get everything done and then take further steps, whatever necessary.
So basically having a backup. If that doesn't really works, this will work for you. And even if you go to regional, you have, A teaching PTE, if you've got extra points, that is going to help you, not hurt you in one way or the other.
Yeah, there are more chances of getting invites if you're standing on a higher points. Yeah,
that's right. Very good point, guys. Doesn't matter wherever you live in Australia, you need to make sure you have and you grab as many points you can so that you are on the upper level when it comes to the point system and get your invite at the earliest. Any other advice for students out there preparing for the exam?
Yes, I'd encourage everyone to come lab. And if you can't make it, like I was not able to make, I was just coming for thrice a week, sorry. So I would say come to lab. That is where you get motivated. You the mistakes, you learn from your mistakes and get your PTE and exam done.
That's right. Thanks for that, Magan. Guys, very important. You're regular to the lab sessions. That is where the game changes, because if you're missing out by 3, 4, 5 points, like that was happening in your case as well, right? And you were basically putting in the hard work, but your direction wasn't 100% correct.
That's true.
Right. That is where you'll come to know what mistakes you're making, what you think is correct, but what the experts think is not correct. That is what will change over there, and the magic will happen. You are going to get your desired score. That's it from this video. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
I'm really proud of you. That's it, guys. That's it from this video. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thank you.